My name is Vaishnavi. I am from Dhule. Recently, I completed my bachelor's degree in computer science engineering from SNJB's Kantabai Bhavalalji Jain College of Engineering, Nasik. And from there only, I got this Qspiders incubation program. Thank you, Qspider, for arranging such programs. And after coming here, I learned SQL, Java, manual testing, web services, web tech from the scratch, just like A to Z. And in my interview time, I got interact with Shrikant sir and Pruthan ma'am. They mentor me a lot in my interview time. Shrikant sir just helped me a lot in my interview to how to crack that particular interview, and Pruthan ma'am for staying calm. Just stay calm, you will get the results soon. And Tejas sir, Ravi sir, and Vikas sir for explaining the basics of SQL and Java. Like I am in position, I can write any program, any query, whatever it could be, no matter the difficulty level. Thank you, Qspider.